The JS9 image processing tool is back online, although currently it requires a new procedure for opening images from the MicroObservatory telescopes. This tutorial is to show you how to access your images and open them in JS9 in the YouthAstroNet student portal. First, you want to go to your MicroObservatory robotic tools block, and as usual, look for the images that have come back from the MicroObservatory telescopes into your account. You'll see here I have my list on my green page. Formerly, to open your images in JS9, for this Orion Nebula image, I would have clicked on this link. Currently, that is not working, but here's how you get to your image. Click on the MO link next to your image, and you'll be on a MicroObservatory page which shows you a preview of the image and then a link to the high-quality astronomical data file, which ends in .fits. This file you'll want to download onto your own device. On some devices, you might right-click this or save as, or maybe you could just click on the link and it will download right to your device as it does mine. So now I'm going to go back to my student portal main page and click on robotic tools again and use your images in JS9. So the JS9 image window will open without an image in it. And to open that image that you just downloaded on your device, go to the Image Open menu. There's my downloads, and there's the image I just downloaded. So I'm going to double click on that, and it opens right up in JS9. And now all the other tutorials for processing this image and enhancing the contrast and brightness you can use, and everything will work well. So I encourage you to explore your images through JS9, colorize them, and post them in the image showcases or the Colorful Cosmos forum.